So as I said, today we want to focus on simplification, right? Although I can start to look now. On the right board. So as I said, today we want to focus on simplification, right? Although I can start to look now. Online, just tell me how bad it is then. Oh, you're real bad. Have two on me there. Online, just tell me how bad it is. Yeah, real bad. I'm taking it off, right? I'm taking it off. Right, so that's what we have videos correct now. I will still it for the next part. All right. Camera, you were saying 6 this morning. All right, so let us take a look at simplification. Right? How do we simplify? So there are many different ways, many different things that we do with simplification, right? One of the first rules and most important rule is bringing the like terms together. All right. So one of the first rules that we're going to look at is to bring like terms together. Okay, real nice, real easy, right? Bring a like terms together. Right, and as I told you before, once you learn to do these things, simplify, solve, and factorize, you can do anything you want. All right? Once you can do these things properly. So let's start here. Suppose I gave you 3x plus 5x minus 4 minus 3. What do? Right? You work it in like terms, right? So you work with the 3x and the 5x. What you'll get? 8x, nice. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 3. Minus 7. For those who struggle with directed numbers, because they are allowed to use calculators now, put the value in, right? What is minus 4 minus 3? There are two ways that we could look at this. Number one, we could factor out the minus 1, and you'll get 4 plus 3. Right? 4 plus 3 is 7, that's minus 1 by 7, which is minus 7. Right? That's one way you can look at it. And next way you can look at it is when the signs are the same, say minus 4 and minus 3. When the signs are the same, they add the values. Right? And put back the sign. That's okay? So there are two ways you can look at it. You can factor out the one and work it out, or if the two signs are the same, right? If the two signs are the same, add the values and then put back the negative sign. Right? We're not multiplying here, add it, right? Right? Because you don't want to get things like that wrong, right? And the next option is just put in the calculator and make sure you get it right. Right? That's example 1. 2. Let's break it up a little bit. Let's say I gave you 5 minus 2x plus 4 minus 3x. What's the first thing you're going to do here? Bring the like terms together, right? Bring the numbers together, bring the x's together. And please don't try to add 5 and minus 2. These are two different terms. Okay? You okay with that? Those are two different terms, right? So don't try to add them in any way. So you bring the 5 and the 4 together. Do I change the sign? No. You only change the sign when you move across a equal sign. Okay, there's no equal sign there. Keep the positive 5, positive 4, negative 2x, negative 3x. Okay, 5 plus 4 is 9, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5x. Everybody okay there? Right? Let's try one more. 2x plus 4y minus 6x. How are we doing there? Right? Bring the x's and leave the y by itself, right? So that will be 2x minus 6x. Do not change the sign. Plus 4y. All okay there? Yeah? So 2x minus 6x is minus 4x plus 4y. Right? Can we add x and y? No, two different terms. Okay? X and y are two different variables, right? What about here? Suppose I gave you 6x squared plus 2x. Take your time for that one, right? Right. What's the answer there? What is 2x plus 1? Anybody else? 8x? Can't simplify any further. X squared and x are two different terms. Right? That's a common mistake. People watch that and say, yeah, they're looking like 8x cubed. Right? But those are two totally different terms. 6x squared and 2x are two different terms. Yeah. No, they're not yet added. It has divided. Divide and multiply, you can bring them together. But not addition and subtraction. Terms have to be identical. Okay? If they are not the same, you can't add them. But okay with that, right? So finish here. 6x squared plus 2x is 6x squared plus 2x. Carry on. That's okay? Right? These are two different terms, right? So make a note of that, right? Right? These here are different terms. Okay? Different terms. But what about x squared and x cubed? Different terms? Yeah, different terms, right? Right? Think about this. Anyway, suppose they add 3 squared plus 3. Can you add these and get 3 cubed? No, these are two different terms, right? So you can't add it. The only way you can add it is if you say 3 squared is 9. Now they become two similar terms. Okay? So don't try to add x squared and x. Can't add that. That's okay? Unless we simplify this, we can't add it. Okay with that? Nice. So we learned to simplify similar terms and things. Let's take a look at next one. Right, so that is that, and let's take a look at the second thing. Let's look at expanding brackets properly. Right, let's take a look at expanding brackets. So let's start right here. Suppose I gave you 5 by 5x minus 2. How do you expand brackets? multiply 5 by 5x and then 5 by minus 2. What is 5 by 5x? 25x. And what is 5 by minus 2? Can I go any further? Can I go any further there? 25x minus 10? No. Why? Two different terms, right? Try number 2. Try number 2 and let's see what you come up with number 3. Yeah, let's see how it went. Finish. Minus 2 by 3s, minus 6, minus 2 by minus x's, plus 2x. Don't forget that, yeah? Minus 2 by minus x's, plus. Here now, minus 2 by 3x's, 6x. Sorry, positive 2 by 3x is 6x. Positive 2 by minus 1 is minus 2. That's okay? Then minus 4 by x, minus 4x, minus 4 by 2, minus 8. Are you okay there? Yeah, minus 8 because it's minus 4 by positive 2. That's okay? Are we done there? No. We can bring the line term together, right? That's okay? So we'll get 6x minus 4x minus 2 minus 8. Do we have to change the signs or anything? No. So 6x minus 4x is 2x minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10. Same signs, right? You see that? Minus 2 minus 8, 2 plus 8, and back this side. Okay? That was kind of bad. Let's just go again. Let's together this one, right? I'm not giving you any minus signs, right? I'll be nice to here. I'm not giving you any minus signs. That's the way you come up with. Those who online, you have to message your answers, huh? Right? Yes, but simplify it out, Jason. Simplify it as far as you can reach, right? And when you're messaging, you remember to message me, right? The one that say Nicholas. All right, let's see what you have. So 3 by 2, that's 6. 3 by x, that's 3x. Positive 2 by 4, that's 8x. Positive 2 by 1, that's positive 2. Right? No negative sign. This should be a easy one, right? 3x. I'm bringing the line together, right? 3x plus 8x, 6 plus 2. 3 plus 8 is 11x, 6 plus 2 is 8. Everybody get up? Yeah? Yeah? Nice. Here, right? I just want to mess up the sign in this one here, right? Yeah? 8 plus 11 and the same thing, right? Let's do one more like this. Five. Let me just mess it up a little minus signs here. 2 by 3 minus x minus 4 plus 1. 4 plus 2x. Let me see what you handle it. Let's see what you do here. Then we'll get this one wrong. See what you do here. Take your time. Take your time. Double question. So some people making a little mistake, right? What's the value in front here? What's the value in front bracket here? 1. Nice. So you're multiplying by negative 1. Don't forget that, right? Take your time. Let's see what you got. Right? Everybody get you? certificate assigned. But you don't see 2 there. Orbital. 2x here? For real? Oh, okay. Sorry. This thing going mad, you know. I just it's a computer, not having nothing else. Anyway, so 2 by 3 is 6. 2 by minus x is minus 2x. Minus 1 on the outside, right? So it's minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 2x. That's okay? There's a minus in front. So it's negative 1 by 4, negative 1 by 2x. Okay, now bringing the like terms together. Negative 2x minus 2x plus 6 minus 4. What is minus 2x minus 2x? Minus 4x. 6 minus 4 is positive 2. Right? Positive 2. 6 minus 4 is positive 2. That's okay? So sometimes this is giving a little bit of problem. If you see a minus in front of brackets, remember that the value is really minus 1. Right? Since we are expanding, since we are still expanding, how are we going to do something like this? How are we going to expand out something like that? Very easy. Too easy. How we expand is something like this. Right? We take x and multiply it by 2x, x multiplied by positive 1. So you can write it like this. X by 2x plus 1. Then you multiply minus 1 here, minus 1 here. So you can write it out like this. X by 2x plus 1, then minus 1 by 2x plus 1. And then you multiply it out. All right, so you can also do it like this, right? This one. Right? So you multiply it out like that. X by the whole bracket minus 1 by the whole bracket and group it out. So you'll end up with 2x squared plus x minus 2. Sorry. Minus 2x minus 1. Right? So in short, you'll get 2x squared minus x minus 1. Right? So watch it again. Here's what you do it. Multiplying x by 2x, that'll give you this. X by positive 1, that'll give you this. Then you multiply minus 1 by 2x, that'll give you this. Minus 1 by plus 1, that'll give you this. Okay? And then you work out your like terms here. All right? Copy down. Let's try one. 4 x minus 2 positive x minus 1. Let's go again. Right, again, I'm not giving you any, I'm giving you positive signs alone, right? Expand that, please. All right, let's see what we have. The work itself. But take a minute. And let's see how this one. 3x by x, that's 3x squared. 3x by positive 2, that's positive 6x. Positive 1 by x, positive 1 by 2. Right? Bring like terms together, they're already here, they're already together here. So you have 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. Everybody got that? That's a good sign. I want to see it, keep it rubbing off. That's a good sign. One person now, one right there. That's a good sign. Anybody confused with this? Right? And what some of you are still making a little mistake with the negative sign, right? But let's say you have something like that. And you find it still struggling a little bit with the calculator and write negative 3 plus 4. Right? And you'll get 1, so you know the answer here is 1. If you want to get simple, take that as well. Right? Use the calculator. Right, let's try one more. Try for me x minus 1, x plus 1. Take your time up. Pass around how much is 1? X plus 1, x minus 1. One more line after, correct. One more line after that. Right, so you're supposed to end up. All right, let's see how this went. Right, let's see how this went, right? X by x is what? X squared. X by positive 1 is positive x. Negative 1 by x is negative 1 by positive 1 is minus 1. Okay with that? Right, here's where I see the little mistake. What is plus 1 minus 1? That's 0, right? Plus 1 minus 1 is 0. So what will be plus 1x minus 1x? 0. Right? Not 2 or not minus 2, right? So we're going to end up with x squared minus 1. We'll get x squared minus 1. That's okay? Yeah? Are you sure? Will you give it up? Yeah, minus x plus 1. That's 0. Right, nice. So that is the way we expand. Let's try one more expansion on a fraction, right? Let's try one more expansion before I show you the past before. And fraction. Sorry. Number what? 9. Number 9. What you're going to do here? What does that mean? What does 2x minus 1 all squared mean? Huh? Multiply by itself, right? So you're multiplying 2x minus 1 by 2x minus 1. Kamani said, yeah, Kamani. So you make a little mistake there, right? So you probably make a little mistake in your multiplication. Right? So it should have been x squared minus 1. That's okay? Right? Sorry. Right? Would help us. And 2x by 2x is 4x squared. you're making a little mistake with the arrow method, right? If you do like the arrow method, do the switch, right? If you do like the arrow method where you're transferring it here, right? You could also do this. 2x multiplied by 2x minus 1. So this by all of this, and then minus 1 by all of this. Right? So if you're not seeing it with the line, with the arrows, write this. Okay? Right? So this is 2x by this whole thing, minus 1 by this whole thing. Okay? So you'll have this line, and it should be easier for you to expand it out. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay? So you will end up with 2x by 2x is 4x squared, 2x by minus 1 is minus 2x, minus 1 by 2x, minus and a minus is a plus. So we'll get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. That's okay? Last one like this. I don't like how we did that one. Last one like this. Try one more. X minus 1 squared. X minus 1 squared. Right, so this will be x minus 1, x minus 1, right? So x by x, that's x squared, x by negative 1, that's minus x, minus 1 by x is minus x, minus 1 by minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, so your last line is x squared minus 2x plus 1. Kira, question anybody? Online any issues? Will you hear? Fractions then. Right? Let's deal with fractions now. Right? Let's deal with fractions. Right? Just do my favor on your own. Do that on your own. No calculator, please. Right? Demana, no calculator. All right. Huh? Yeah, you worked out? Right. So normally what you will do, find LCM and work it out, right? So in finding your LCM, there's one thing that you can do all the time. It doesn't matter the denominator. You can multiply the 2 by the 3 and you'll get 6. You can multiply the 3 by the 1 and get 3. And then multiply the 2 by the 1 and get 2. Correct? And then bring down your little sign in the middle. That kind of cross multiplying, right? You multiply 2 by the 3, 3 by the 1, 2 by the 1, and bring down the plus sign. And you end up with 516. Okay with that? If I were to bring in x and y and say now, do the same thing. Right? Every time you have the fractions, right? Every time you have fractions, it always looks like this. B by D, A by D, B by C, and bring down the sign in the middle. You see that? So you multiply the denominator and then you cross on top. Okay with that? So if I were to give you an example now, I just want to bring in the x, right? X minus 1 and 2, x, sorry, make it a little easier. X on 2 plus 3x on 1. Sorry, 4. Right? How are we going to work out that? X on 2 plus 3x on 4. Same principle. And multiply the 3 by the 4. Right? Sorry, 3 by the, right again. 2 by the 4. And you'll get 8. Then you multiply the 4 by the x and the 2 by the 3. And the last step is to bring down the sign. That's okay? The 4 by the 2, then you multiply the 4 by the x and the 2 by the 3x, and then bring down the sign. And you'll be left with 10x on it. Go ahead. Huh? If you want, you can do it as well, but this technique will work for everything. So stick to this one. All right, you don't have to go and work out the lowest common multiple on it. No. Just multiply and cross it. Okay? 2 by 4, 4 by x, 2 by 3x. Okay? Any questions online? So this here is the general rule, right? Multiply the denominators, then you cross and bring down the sign. Okay? Okay with that? Copy now. Soraya, are you okay there? Right? So today, what I'll do is I'll show all the explanations. Next week, we do all the past papers and simplify. All right? We have to simplify questions. Okay? And then when we're done, we do factorization, do all the factorization. It's really important that you can do these 3 things in maths. Right? Once it gets simplified, factorize and solve, you can solve it in maths. All right? Oh, I might have class following, right? No, next week. I think it's the 11th or something like that. I'll message you on it. Right? At the end of the month, right? With this week here, there was not anybody in some groups, right? If you're not in the group next week, you can come play for sure. All right? Number 2. Number 2. I want to leave you on your own for this one. Right? This combines everything we would have learned for the entire class. X plus 2 over 3 plus x minus 1 over 4. Take your time. It combines everything just learned. Right? You simplify the fraction first and then simplify the numerator. Two minutes. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's see what we have. So step number one. Step number one, you multiply 3 by 4. Correct? That'll give you 12. Next step, multiply this 4 by x plus 2. Then multiply this 3 by x minus 1. See that? So you're multiplying the denominator by the entire of the opposite numerator. And you bring down the plus sign. Now we're going to work out the numerator. So we'll end up with 4x plus 8 plus 3x minus 3 all over 12. Is that okay there? I'm going to bring the like terms together. 4x plus 3x plus 8 minus 3 all over 12. So I'll be left with, I'm squeezing in the answer right here. I'll be left with 7x plus 5 all over 12. Questions? Questions on here? Pick it up. Give me the 2.9, right? Let's go again. It's time. Let's get this one right. Next one. All right, let's see how this one. Some good signs here. Right. All right, let's just check it out. Right, so everything here is over 15. So that'll be 3 by 2x minus 1, 5 by x minus 2. Now there's a good habit to do all your working right here. Don't go to the side and do the working. Do everything one time. Right? 3 by 2x is 6x. 3 by minus 1 is minus 3. 5 by x is 5x. 5 by 2 is 10. All over 50. Next step, bring your like terms together. Bring your like terms together, you'll get 6x plus 5x minus 3 plus 10. All over 50. Right? 6x plus 5x, that's 11x. Minus 3 plus 10 is 7. Over 50. Okay? Right? Let's do one more dozen. Right? One more. Right? Somebody. Last one here. Last one, and then next week we're going to do part paper on this alone. Okay? Oh my, this should have factorization. Then we'll see. Let's see next week. right? And last one, okay? Let's give you a pass. Sorry, all right, that's too easy. That's too easy. Okay, good. Last one here. This is for 3 marks. 3 marks. X minus 2 over 3 plus x plus 1 over 4. That's too easy for 3 marks. That's June 2011. Last one, right? You finish a little bit. Give out straight. Take your time. Last one. 3 marks. And it's still get right. Although you write down the wrong thing, it's still get it. Based on the wrong thing. Right? Alright, nice. So good. That wasn't bad earlier. Alright, so 3 by 4. Right, so 3 by 4 is 12. Yeah, are you okay there? You write in front there, right? So that'll be 4 by x minus 2 plus 3 by x plus 1. That's okay? So it's 4 by x minus 2 and 3 by x plus 1. 4 by x, that's 4x, 4y minus 2 minus 8, 3 by x, 3 by positive 1, all over 12. Okay, bring the like terms together, 4x plus 3x minus 8 plus 3. Your final answer is 7x minus 5. Okay, now it's good. So today we looked at simplification. We still have one little thing in simplification with indices.